chitariki emerongo ebere na isano nemo mutienyi ogatano osomutienyi okianda omwaka wa chirubere na emerongo ebere na chitariki emerongo ebere na ibere na isano mwanchumurelia undiziti ngosabo kwabirwa chitariki nkianda mutienyi chitariki nemerongo ebere na isano nemo mutienyi okianda omwaka wa 2024 ukwane bene ase amangana majia chinsa isano na ibere chabono mugasetana nenkoro kwa Job Maangi no kwenda kinga chibichechi bwego na maliogia bere ikera asenchira Jobo ikera nunere Lydia Mose nkoranande asika ketali ege tambe Nabakwenda otobuatu wetera asentira yumtandao ito Facebook Ndezi TV News Digital ensemeri YouTube Ndezi TV News na wetera asumtandao ito www.ndizitv.net ama iningo tukola chakurwa se county ya Nyamira asaba yori babeire bago semi wakuira abana babo ase chiskuru chobo bundi na abana ukirana ase chiskuru echirinde konyora amegerio asengencho nigemeremo emenge yaberege gotoka ase bali babwate amagerio ayo kagukwana ase eskuru yobundi asaigangi yani go mwaziri otenendete amangane chisemi ase county ya Nyamira Emily Ongaga aba gako enekyoko bwato kwa kugosirwa ase abalemi bali bakora amangana alengete obotugi wechinchoke ase abagate banga serikali county ya Nyamira netikogendera korwa amaigo nabo kubwato ka ogosira otia ase chiskuru chiria chiobo bundi
na pia ya muhimu kabisa tumekuja ku launch beekeeping activity ambayo shule na the community in general wameweza kutengeneza kwa sababu ya kujimudu kwa hawa wanafunzi, an economic activity for our students and the community members here. This is an economic activity in the spirit of youth development and youth empowerment. His Excellency the Governor is in the front line on supporting our BTC centers because education is power, education is an equalizer. So therefore today we are here to ensure that our students also are empowered with this Beehive economic activity to help our students and also to boost the capitation of the school. Ningeomba kuhimiza wazazi wetu, tafadhali mulete wanafunzi kwa wingi. Mheshimiwa Governor amepeana walimu katika 4 courses kwa hii shule. Tunaleta mwalimu wa ICT, tunaleta mwalimu wa masonry, tunaleta mwalimu wa motor vehicle na already katika hii shule tuko na mwalimu ambayo anafunza tailoring and dressmaking, na leo hii pia tumekuja na equipment ambazo watoto wetu wanaenda kutumia kufunzwa. So tunahimiza community yetu, tafadhali mtuletee wanafunzi ili tuweze kuinua shule pamoja.
Wote waleta watoto hapa, ni shule kubwa hii, lakini watu wengi wanafikiria kupeleka watoto Nairobi, Mombasa, na ile certificate wanapata huko ndio iko hapa. So we are very much happy. Principal, Madam Principal, asante kwa mpangilio huu.
Tebya abaiboli abasegangia na kineni kwa chumura gabalenta abana asobonga se potengi ya segangia ekyagara eserikali negendete kuimisha abaiboli twira abana vocational training school.
Monchumurelia Undizi TV ningo yabo borro obonene chinga kichumuyiga wa masabo nabo igoko bainyora abana babete bagusiria amagimabo ase mubasukano bomulero ase skuru ya Hillside Endarasha Academy omoyiga obakonekiwa abose bakoleka ase county area ya Nyeri abantu awekirana ase nsemi babakorwa amagombabo asa Bible bawote abanga nigo ogosiria abana babo kwabe kubatigira obororo obonene na boigo ningo kora chikubatigira libagali nene elirabe riko baira chinga kichinene ego ichoria.
Friends, we are strengthened as we remember the joy, laughter, love they brought into our lives. We appreciate that God gave you to us as gifts. You came, you conquered life in your own different ways, and together you left as friends. Though mourning today, we mourn as believers, being assured that though absent from us, you are present with your Creator and Heavenly Dad at a better place, away from pain and sorrow. In the meantime, we parents choose not to complain, but sojourn on with your wonderful memories of joy, laughter, courage, which you brought in our lives. Your memories will continue to inspire and uplift us as we navigate this world without you, and be their God. And God shall wipe away all tears from their eyes, and there shall be no more death, neither sorrow nor crying, neither shall there be any more pain, for the former things are passed away. Fare thee well, our sons, fare thee well, our brothers, fare thee well, our friends, till we meet again in Jesus.
Totigalite asenseme yo ya indarasha nigo egati jabare wekirana ase omoyega oyo no mokonyi bomurai bwenseri gathiga shagwa omo waziri bosomurai okabeire bwe kyamakeria osokabeire omurai omokoro omokonyi bomurai bomokoro bwense Kalonzo Musyoka yuboigo oromurai bwe kyamakeria kya Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka egati jabare bande wekirana ase ensemeyo mokonyi bomurai bwenseri gathiga Gashagwa nigo aba gakurwa amagombo yomurai bwense Dr. William Ruto ase ensemeyo ase boigo ensemeria sesa chirigeti ko mwaka isiko ase abagakurwa okoboria asabarai kurwa se chinsemo agusika abantu ba Mount Kenya.
Nimefika hapa kwa niaba wa Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya Dr. William Samoei Ruto ambaye yako ziara kirasmi nchini Marekani, na kwa niaba ya serikali yetu na wa Kenya kuja kuomboleza kifo cha watoto wetu. It is true the way the former defense minister has said, when this tragedy occurred, I was in Mombasa on official duty. Young boys, our heart cries for them. When you look at them, they are innocents. They are no more. So sisi kama serikali wazazi tunasema pole. Kwa watu ya Nyeri tunasema pole. I appeal to everybody to treat the people of the mountain with kindness, because it's the right thing to do. These people who are there, they are there today, they will be there tomorrow. Former Vice President, the people of the mountain are very good people. They are very trusting, and they are very kind, and they are very loving. They return love.
Kagukwana ase ensemeyo nigo murai bwe kyama kya Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka abagakurwa eira yogochikogendera gotinena nomokonyi bomurai bwenseri gathiga shagwa n'abantu ba Mount Kenya anemono chingaki omurai bosomokonyi omurai bwenseri gathiga shagwa andrate konyora emerindo emenene ya kisiasa ase gwikira bono chinguma chigendrete ng'anigo omoswada boko mwaka isikorabe gogoikigwa bosio bwe bunge enene.
Deputy President Rigathi, go tell Rigiji, God is on the throne. We have a nation to mold together. I never like pretense. There is tension in this country. Political tension. So moderator, tuombe Kenya. But when the moment comes, aliyekuwa makamu wa rais, mzee amelala, Mwai Kibaki will always be there for the people of Nyeri. Tutakuwa nanyi bila uoga, bila chuki, mambo ya changamoto kubwa hizi, tutakuwa pamoja, na nchi ni kubwa kabisa kushinda sisi zote. Lakini kitoka hapa, uniruhusu governor usitume askari na tear gas. Nitasimama Nyeri town na nitasimama Karatina. Kuna mambo muhimu sana ya kuelezea watu wetu wa Nyeri. May the good Lord rest the source of these little angels in everlasting peace.
Togosuka bosioni go mwaziri otinenerete oborendi bwa Kithure Kindiki abaoikira na bosio bwe bunge enene linde kuiraneria amabolio anemono kubwatekana ngano gosiria kwa magima kwa basaya chinga kichokorobekana wekegolikeria gya genzi ase ababunge bagania abe gakuiraneria bosegetambo kerekende kyabere ikirurwa abanyanyimbo babete bakuirira abasabo bosiria amagima abo ensemo yayo mwaziri boborendi bwa Kithure Kindiki naba gakwene kingani wobo tukibogendrete asonde bwensi orumunyanyimbo orabega otukanga nabete otumeka chinguru mamincha yeri chiko arabega kwirerwa egetambokero egetindi keri chiko.
I have not admitted that any Kenyan was killed by the police. What I said is that some died because of bullet wounds. The process of proving the owner of the gun that discharged a killer bullet is a forensic process. And I am not ruling out the possibility. There are parameters. Those firearms are supposed to neutralize dangerous criminals who pose danger either to the life of a police officer themselves or to the lives of the people. And I think that's a general principle. I am not trying to say that any of these cases fitted there. I'm just saying that the law allows the police to use lethal force. The question that the pursuit of justice must help us to answer is whether if there is any police officer who used their weapon, whether that use was within the parameters permitted after we frustrated the effort to burn down Parliament and kill members. We arrested a suspect at 4 a.m. outside Parliament carrying fuel, intending to go and raise down the premises of Parliament. We must, within the Constitution, make sure that the institutions established under our Constitution are protected, because if we overthrow constitutional institutions like Parliament, judiciary, the executive, we have no country. The things we are discussing here, we will not have even this discussion where a parliamentary committee is grilling the security minister.
Omanchumurilia ondiziti ebibono nigotrabe tokogenda eyemo asemo wika ase ensemo elia yegeti kiameyega ya Jamhuri ase omo reporter oitobose omosaki oitobwa mangana ama ya Mildred Mumanyi aendete koletera eyemo ase eyemo amoro kerelio yobo remi tengo trarango naralia yo endrete ase ensemo ya Jamhuri.
Kupima mchanga ujue inaweza stahili chai, then ukishapanda kazi yenye iko hapo ni kufunika kwanza. Baada ya kumwakia chai, baada ya miezi 4 unatoa hiyo sheet pole pole, alafu uanze kuadd ili kubali masharti ya shamba, conditions. So after 8 to 1 year this leaf is ready, ichukuliwe shamba. Na ikikuja shamba tutaenda huko hapo.
Labda kwa faida ya mtazamaji wetu gose faida yo muri weta seni yetu Kyandizi TV ni gotoga nte gusanga igori yechae ne chai ganigere and so gotendirwa kado ne kyombe getenete ase obotuki bokumanya igori yeke merikiao ngange kiranete ke bwente gusimekwa aiga ntobwate echae embaliri jisikumanye chai gana ke gusimekwa nabo igo obya bwaye. Labda unaweza endelea kutuambia kuhusu hii chai.
Sasa kama Research Institute.
Yes.
Tumeweza kudevelop
mwanchumuriria ondizi TV noroche uyu no musakitwo mangana majia Mildred Momanyi uyu beotaretera umuroberi buburimi nobo ndagendete kubwatia amagerio ayuendrete sensemo elia yomochi o Nairobi egetigia Jamhuri kolende nigona abinko batiga ase amagokaya abende agendre kuborokia ayuendrete ase ensemo yukolende tiniko baeba abuto atokubwatia nere uyu Relidia Museba kwenda chibichechi wego na Mario giaberekera ase nchira yobo ikerano litera nkorko Job Maangi wekera chinga kichinde nabagane irebuliria ubuyime Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu umugusi.
chai inawekwa, the only chemical inaingia kwa shamba ya chai Kenya hii tungesema